trigger her. She might go off on you.
Then when I be saying trigger, they be saying trigger when I be snapping. I be snapping like a chihuahua.
There's all get the green tank top on.
Nah, she got the white tank top, man. No, it's green. I mean, that's her name. I mean, Dorothy.
My mom called people. She had a little mean streak. She ain't called people bitches.
You see her nigga at the bottom?
Oh, okay. That's a man. He look like Leon.
Oh, the fuck he don't. No, you don't. No, he don't. And it's like a brother Isaac, brother.
Hey. You made it like so useful for somebody.
And it's like a brother Isaac, brother. He's like Whippy. Oh, some fat ass like a brother picture. He got those sugar daddy Nikes on.
Them old Phillips.
Them sugar daddy Nikes.
The one thing about it, he ain't getting us. She got to give him some sugar to get from. So.
That's the wild word. Now she a boss. Now I can't take it from him. He be doing whatever she say to.
She gonna put it on his ass.
She say they'll be having sex.
Yeah, right. Never, ever, ever.
I believe they do.
She's trying to break your ass down to me. That's why I tell you, be a woman alone.
I know she be trying to break me down. I be on her ass though.
But she enjoy commanding people. She has to get a little man, and them other ladies make up and try to make excuses for her.
I know her attitude.
She can't break you down. I told you how people out there don't like you.
I was just raised to respect my elders. And I be having to remember this ain't no elder situation.
Even if she wasn't, I mean, what's the point of arguing with that old bitch? You ain't gonna change shit. You can change you, man.
I don't argue. My thing is when I finally say something, I am your bloodline.
Right, but my point is to you. Why you done told this bitch clearly she got sense? Why ain't fool with her? Because she's stupid. Because she gonna piss you off again.
Yep, she do every time. Like I just said, she gonna send me. She called me. I ain't answer. She gonna send me a thumbs up. I sent her ass a match, striking the match box.
Oh, that's something.
And a raccoon popping up eating.
Bitch, I'm gonna get my own cousin so I'm gonna beat your ass. I don't fight you.
I be snapping and be back happy 20 minutes. I don't know what's wrong with me.
There ain't nothing wrong with you. I
don't hold. I used to be reserved. I call you and try to talk it out. I don't care.